Welcome back again to my channel Bal Vigyan Bharti, and here is your mentor Abhilash Sarkar. We are now progressing on the problem solving session on trigonometric ratio. We have reached up to the problem number 5. Now onwards, from 6 we will start today. Okay, so the number 6, it is very simple one. 1 minus cos square a 1 minus cos square a into cosec square a, you have to prove it is equal to 1. So let me start with from the left hand side, as we are doing 1 minus cos square theta, cos square a, that you can say it is sin square a, and sin square into cos square a, because the cos square is inversely proportional to sin. So this is nothing but sin square a. So this is ultimately equal to 1, that is equal to right hand side. Okay. So for simpler problem I will move faster, because on the process of doing you will automatically understand, you need not to explain much. So for things where it is very easy, I will not give a pause, or otherwise I will explain if it is a special idea is being utilized. So the next one is 1 plus cos square a. These are based on the direct relation. There is no much of idea or extra effort you have to put. So these are directly, so this you have to prove is equal to the next one is equal to 1. So if I start with the left hand side, now 1 plus cos square a, this is, as you know, it is cosec square a. Now this is same sin square a. Sin and cos are inverse, so this must be equal to 1, so that is equal to right hand side. Okay, these are directly based on the relation we have already discussed in the theory part. So these are don't need any much of explanation. The next one is tan square theta cos square theta. Tan square theta into cos square theta, you have to prove it is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So let me start with left hand side. So tan square theta into cos square theta is equal to, that you have to prove. So tan, what you know, tan is nothing but sin square theta by cos square theta, sin by cos, so as it is square, so sin square by cos square into cos square, automatically available. So this will be my deducted, so that will be sin square theta. Sin square theta is nothing but is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, so which is equal to right hand side. Okay. Moving to problem 9. Cosec theta into under root of 1 minus cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay, left hand side, cosec theta 1 minus cos square theta, that is equal to sin square theta, equal to cosec theta into, so if I remove square root, so it will be sin theta, cosec theta into sin theta is equal to 1, because these are inversely proportional, inversely related, so that is equal to your right hand side. Okay, moving to next 10. Sec square theta minus 1 into cosec square theta minus 1 is equal to 1. Left hand side, sec square theta minus 1, that is equal to tan square theta, cosec square theta minus 1, that is equal to cot square theta. Tan and cot are inversely related, so that is equal to 1, because tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1, so whole square means that will also be 1. So this is equal to right hand side. Tan theta is equal to what? 1 by cot theta. So cot, so that will be sine. So that will be resulted is equal to 1. Okay. So moving into 11, tan theta plus 1 by tan theta is equal to sec theta into cosec theta. Okay, left hand side sin theta. So tan theta is equal to what? Sin theta by cos theta plus 1 by tan means cot theta. Cot means cos theta by sin theta. Okay. Now the LCM will be cos theta into sin theta. Here is it cos theta, so sin will be squared of here, and the same cos will be square of here. So what is that? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 divided by cos theta into sin theta. So that is equal to 1 by cos theta into 1 by sin theta. So 1 by cos theta is equal to sec theta. 1 by sin theta is equal to cosec theta. So here is your right hand side. Okay. Moving to problem number 12. Problem number 12. Cos theta divided by 1 minus sin theta is equal to, you have to prove, is equal to 1 plus sin theta divided by cos theta, isn't it? Yeah. So starting from left hand side, here you can start from anywhere, but let me start with, so what I will do, I will multiply it with the conjugate. Okay. So that is cos theta 1 plus sin theta divided by 1 minus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin square theta. So cos theta into 1 plus sin theta divided by cos square theta, 1 minus sin square theta, cos square theta. So ultimately 1 plus sin theta by cos theta is equal to right hand side. Hence proof. Okay. In this there are another part which is of similar kind but differently defined. So what is that? Cos theta by 1 plus sin theta. Okay. Cos theta by 1 plus sin theta, you have to prove it is equal to 1 minus sin theta by cos theta. Okay. So now the earlier one I have solved. This you can try at home. I need not to show you, but in the same manner you can solve it. Okay. I will leave it for you. Okay. So next 13, cos square theta, is it cos? Yes. Cos square theta plus 1 by 1 plus cot square theta. Cot square theta is equal to 1. Cos square theta plus 1 by and cot square theta. Okay. So starting with the left hand side, cos square theta plus 1 plus cot square theta, that is equal to cosec square theta. Cos square theta, 1 by cos means sine, so sine square theta, what is that, is equal to 1, is equal to right hand side. Okay. So you need not to panic. You don't start calculating from the first. Just give a pause, think whether the direct relation is available or not, or somehow can bring the direct relation in the easiest way before break it down into so many of ratios. Because cot you can start with the sin y cos, then also you will get result, but with a different effort or a maybe a longer effort, but this case it will be easier. Straight away you can get the result. Okay, so this is 13. Moving the problem number 14. Sine square is of similar problem, but it has given in the form of sine this time. 1 plus tan square a is equal to prove 1. The same, we start with the left hand side. It will be sine square a plus 1 by 1 plus tan means sec square a. So this is sine square a plus 1 by sec means cos square a. Sine square a plus cos square is equal to 1. Hence proved. Okay. 14. 15 this time. 15 says under root of 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta is equal to cosec theta minus cot theta. Okay, let me start with the. So this, what I'll do, cos theta, the same I will do, the similar kind of exercise we already did in our earlier and this sessions also. So this will become 1 plus 1 minus cos theta whole square divided by 1 minus cos square theta. So this will give you 1 minus cos theta because it's a whole square, so root will obsolete. So this case also 1 minus cos square means sin square, so ultimately I will get sin theta divided into two parts, sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta. 1 by sin means cosec theta, and cos by sin means cot theta. So hence it is right hand side proved. Okay. (16) 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. 1 minus cos theta by sin theta is equal to sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta. Yes, starting with the left hand side. So if I write it like that, sin theta minus, I will add as if I do the LCM of this, because 1 by 1, so 1 and sin theta. Here I will get sin theta, here I will get cos theta. Okay. Or else how can I do it? Cot theta or this time let me start from the right hand side. It will be much easier to start from the right hand side this time. Sometimes it's also you have to take decision, because from any side you start and end up with the other side, it will okay for that sum. It's not that need not to start from the left hand side always. Why I am saying this, you will understand. There I am getting straightway some clue from here. So this will be 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus, it will be easier to solve the problem if we start from the right hand side. So this is 1 minus cos theta, it will become 1 minus cos square theta, sin theta, 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos square theta, that means sin square theta. Sin will be cancelled out, so ultimately 1 by sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta. So that means the left hand side given is wrong. It has to be 1 minus cos theta by sin theta, then only this will come, because I already have got 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. So actually it is wrongly given, so it has to be 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. That's why I feel problem while I am moving to the left hand side. Actually this used to be there, so the sum was given is wrong. Okay, so the actual will be 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. Plus already I think I have solved it, this kind of problem. So anyhow, this will be, the right one will be 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. Okay, moving to the next. (17) is when 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus sin theta, and you have to prove it is equal to sec theta minus tan theta whole square. Okay, let me start from left hand side. So 1 minus sin theta, I will do multiply with 1 minus sin theta on the numerator and denominator both, and this will turn into 1 plus sin theta and 1 minus sin theta, that will be 1 minus sin square theta. So this will be sin theta whole square divided by cos square theta. Now as both are square, so I can write it like that, 1 minus sin theta by cos theta whole square. So 1 by cos theta, I can write it like that, cos theta by sin theta by cos theta, that whole square. So 1 by cos theta is equal to what? Sec theta. Sin by cos is equal to tan theta, that is whole square. So hence proof it is right hand side. Okay, so I will end up here. In the next session I will start from problem number 18. Okay, so thank you for now, keep watching.